Hi, it's Stuart Sutton at REMAX 1. I'm in Walsh Ranch in Round Rock, Texas, one of Round Rock's more popular neighborhoods. One of the reasons is because Walsh Ranch Middle School is located within this neighborhood. The homes in 2012 ranged from $319 to $499. Now, most of the homes are between $320 and $400. Only a handful sold between $400 and $500. Walsh Ranch is wonderfully located near I-35 for an easy drive into Austin. And the neighborhood offers nice parks and trails and swimming pool for the kids and walking the pets. It's just a wonderful neighborhood. As I said earlier, very popular. Here's a closer look at the pool. The pool is actually a little bit large for the size of the neighborhood. Walsh Ranch is not a large neighborhood, but everyone that lives here, that I've talked to anyway, absolutely loves it. It's a wonderful location. I'm Stuart at REMAX 1 if I can help. Thanks.